What it do, y'all? It's Big Cal's Armor RC Adventures with update. I'm gonna have a little time on my hands, and while I'm at it, with all this Corona stuff going on and stuff, so I'm gonna have a little bit of time on my hands for a little bit. But in a couple days, waiting on O-rings right now. But we'll try to do, depending on my schedule, do a tutorial video of how to rebuild your diffs and whatnot. So right now I'm cleaning my gears out and inspecting them anywhere and whatnot. Do I need to replace them? Anything like that. So doing a thoroughly cleaning and inspecting. Okay, this is my these right here are the planetary gear, and these are, I can't think of it. This it's called spider gears. That's going inside the differential. Okay. So right now, it's just doing cleaning and whatnot and get everything back going. This right here is your spur gear. This is a 52 spur. So I got that all cleaned up and whatnot. So I'll do some different maintenance. I do have new gaskets and whatnot. So hopefully in a couple days I will do a tutorial of how to maintenance your diffs on basically on Armor 6S vehicles or any vehicle, any RC vehicle. You know, some differentials are a lot different than other manufacturers and whatnot, but similar. You know, usually you build your diffs. You want to use new gears and whatnot. You get a rebuild kit and whatnot, but usually I clean them and I check for wear. So I do a close inspection and make sure gears are just fine, like that. And if that's fine, then you totally reuse it. Sometimes little shims on the spider gears, they wear out, so you probably need to replace the shims. I don't know the part number. I think I do have some shims though. So I gotta go find them and whatnot. And yeah. But again, right now I'm waiting on some O-rings. This one, these two here, O-rings are bad. I got one of them was really bad and it was leaking. So my hobby shop didn't have no O-rings that size for my the part number. They didn't have the O-rings, and so they couldn't match it anyway. Cause these Armor O-rings kind of odd number for this size, so they couldn't match up the O-rings. So I ordered some. This will be here Wednesday, hopefully Wednesday, and I will try to do a video of how to rebuild your diff and whatnot, and how you fill up and whatnot. But yeah, got a lot of time on my hand. A lot of time, man. Yeah, so this Corona thing is going on, and I work for a supplier for GM, so I'm kind of laid off a little bit. So got a lot of time on my hands, so I'm gonna relax and do what I gotta do, get my bills paid, and do what it do. Hopefully this Corona stuff go away. Everybody do that anti-social, so don't be out too many crowds and whatnot. So try to control this virus down a little bit. So if you catch the Corona, if you show symptoms, man, quarantine yourself. Don't be around kids or especially elderly people. So you don't be around your older mother, grandmother, grandfather, grandparents, and whatnot. Don't be around them if you do catch it and whatnot, because they most likely get sick. If you're diabetic, you should be concerned, or get heart problems. And if you're a 100% healthy person, then it'd be flu-like symptoms and whatnot. But if you got some issues with your body and whatnot, you kind of want to take precautions though, because everybody's body different, react different though. Some get sick and take a while before they could be good, and some that's a common cold and go away. But it's epidemic, and needs everybody take precautions, and and get through this stuff. Hopefully, a few months, and everybody quarantine and so go away, and hopefully the government have a cure, and how whatever get it done. But anyway, y'all, man, y'all be safe, y'all. It's Big Cows on RC Adventures. Like I said, hopefully a couple days I will have the tutorial video of how to do your diffs and whatnot, and spare time. And it was this go. I got a couple O-rings in my stash and whatnot, but no, they ain't good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put brand new O-rings in it. I'm messing around. So I'm gonna keep wasting dip fluid and gonna keep leaking out. So yep. And right here I got these gem bearings, stainless steel, rubber seal bearings that I've tested out and whatnot. So got some of that dip fluid leaked out on that side. Yeah, but he's doing good though. Yep. But anyway, man, it's Big Cal's RC Adventures, man. One love. Holla at your boy. Peace.